Nvidia, a tech giant, has recently made headlines with its groundbreaking AI developments. Now let me tell you, when a company like Nvidia makes headlines, it's worth paying attention. Nvidia, renowned for their impressive graphics processing units, has taken a bold step forward in the world of artificial intelligence. Their recent advancements have sent ripples across the tech industry, hinting at a future where AI is not just a concept, but a tangible reality. The news that's got everyone buzzing is Nvidia's development in AI software and hardware, pushing the boundaries of what we thought possible. They're pioneering a new era of AI, one where the technology is more efficient, more powerful, and more versatile than ever before. One of the key points about Nvidia's advancements is their focus on deep learning. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning, which in turn is a branch of AI. It's all about teaching machines to learn and improve from experience, much like humans do. Nvidia's strides in this area are nothing short of revolutionary. Another important point to note is Nvidia's commitment to accessibility. They're not just developing AI for the elite or the tech-savvy. They're making it accessible to everyone, from small businesses to large corporations, from hobbyists to professionals. This is a game changer, making AI a tool that anyone can use to solve problems, enhance productivity, and drive innovation.